Hello guys, welcome to 𝐁𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐿. In today's video I want to show the new YouTubers how to get a lot of watch hours to monetize your YouTube channel. Getting watch hours as a new YouTuber is very hard and difficult, and in today's video I will show you guys a platform that you can use it to get the 4,000 watch hours. Very simple. This platform really helps me through my journey as a YouTuber to get my 4,000 watch hours, and as of now I have like 12,000 watch hours. I can show you my watch hours right now. I have like 12,000 watch hours, and I wouldn't be able to hit this 12,000 watch hours if not this platform I'm gonna show you guys. So as a new YouTuber, you have to get 4,000 watch hours to monetize your YouTube channel, and getting that 4,000 watch hours is very difficult for upcoming YouTubers. So without wasting my time, let me show you the platform so that you can use it to get your 4,000 watch hours and monetize your YouTube channel. So the platform name is called 𝐷𝐶mboost.org. So let's search it again. 𝐶mboost.org. This is the platform, and they provide the best social media for and search engine optimization services to grow up your businesses. Okay, so like you click on this discover more, and it will take you to their services. So they render a lot of social media services: Facebook services, Instagram services, YouTube services, TikTok, Telegram, AudioMac, and a lot. In today's video we'll be checking out their YouTube services. Okay, so you have to click on the YouTube services, and with their YouTube packages they have YouTube subscribers, they have the YouTube watch hours, they have YouTube likes, YouTube views. And if you need more of the services, you can click to check other services. Okay, so right now we need the watch hours, so we will click on this, the YouTube watch hours. Okay, so this platform gives 1,000 watch hours for $60, and this is very cheap in the market as compared to other platforms that charge more than $200 for 1,000 watch hours. This platform is very cheap. They give the best quality 4,000 watch hours, or any amount of watch hours you want to purchase to monetize your YouTube channel. So they have 1,000 watch hours. They can get you 2,000 watch hours, 3,000, 4,000, and a lot. Yeah, so 1,000 watch hours is $60. 2,000 watch hours is $120. 3,000 watch hours is $180. and 4,000 watch hours is $240. These watch hours prices are very cheap compared to other platforms. Other platforms charge more than $200 to get just 1,000 watch hours. So to get the watch hours, you click on the purchase now. Okay, so you click on this purchase now, and a pop-up will appear. So you enter your name, your email, your YouTube video. Yeah, to get a watch hours you need to you can read about their terms and conditions here. So to get the watch hours you need to enter your video link, and your video length should be 1 hour. So you have to upload a video of 1 hour 10 minutes or something. Yeah, and this is very legit. No password is required, 24/7 support. So you click on the purchase, then you enter your full name, your email address, and your YouTube video, the 1 hour video link. So let me enter my name, then my Gmail, then my YouTube video, the link. So maybe I'll go to my YouTube channel and copy one link. So I'll copy the link of that 1 hour video. Then I'll come to the platform and paste in the video link. Then I click on next. Okay, so the price is $60 for the 1,000 watch hours. So I'll click on the select payment method to select my payment method. Okay, so like they accept perfect money, mobile money, crypto pay, Binance pay worldwide. Okay, so I'll choose the crypto pay. Okay, so with the crypto pay they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. Okay, so I'll click on the USDT. Then when you are done with the payment, you take a screenshot and upload it here. So let me go and make my payment and show you guys how it's done. Maybe I'll go to my Binance. So when you are done with the payment, you come to the platform, then you choose your screenshot. You select the screenshot and upload it here. Okay, so I've uploaded my screenshot. Then I'll click on the order button. Okay, so our order has been placed successfully. I'll click on the closed button. They are thanking us for choosing our platform, and if we want to check out other services, we just click on this to go back to the other services and check their services. Maybe you want TikTok or Facebook. Okay, so if this video helps you to get your 4,000 watch hours, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.